That's a good one. That's a good one. Good one, Luke. Uh-oh. That's called a shank, buddy. That's how Dada hits it. Okay, there you go, buddy. Uh-oh. Gotta keep your eye on the ball, Luke. Step up to it a little bit. Get a little closer to it. You can do it, buddy. I don't know. I think they're just making some noise playing basketball. Just having fun. Just yelling a little bit. Go ahead, buddy. Let's see you. Let's see a good one. I don't know. He's yelling about something. They're just being silly.
He fell down.
I know. He fell down. Hope he's okay. All right, buddy. You can do it. Go ahead and hit a few. Uh-oh. That's okay. Uh-oh. Slow down. Luke, stop for a second. Restart. Just stop. Stop for a second. Okay. Okay, there you go. Whoa, buddy. It's a little extreme there. Good throw. One-handed, not bad. Not bad.